how to operate a Trueline striping machine. All of our equipment operates in the same manner. The only difference is how they are pressurized. We will show you some of the basics on how our equipment operates using the 250 EC, which uses an electric compressor to pressurize the machine. First, we will connect the air line to the compressor, plug it in, turn it on, and let it pressurize. As it pressurizes, you will see the first gauge moving. The first gauge shows us how much pressure is in the compressor. The second gauge shows how much pressure is being supplied to the machine. As the compressor pressurizes, we can turn the regulator clockwise to pressurize the machine until we reach the pressure we choose. For today, we will be turning it until we reach 80 psi. This is a good starting point for the paint we are using for today. You may need to vary the pressure depending on the paint you are using. Once everything is pressurized, we can unplug the compressor. Next, we will move to the top of the tank. We have the air side and paint side. The air side consists of the air line that supplies the machine with pressure, a bleed-off valve to release pressure in the paint tank, and a safety relief valve to ensure our equipment is safe. Next is the paint side. Paint is supplied from inside the bottom of the tank and up through these fittings. This is where the drain hose normally goes. The drain hose allows you to empty the paint tank after you are done striping. But for today, we will be using an attachment, the 523 spray gun, which can do the same thing as the drain hose. We can remove the tip and screen from the spray gun to empty the paint tank like with the drain hose. This is the paint line that runs to the shutoff valve underneath the machine. The shutoff valve is operated from the hand control on the handle. Squeezing the hand control opens the valve, releasing the paint to the spray box, and releasing the hand control allows the valve to close, shutting off the paint supply to the spray box. The final piece is the spray box. We have different size boxes for different size lines. The boxes consist of a wing cap, a spray tip, and a screen that helps catch any debris from clogging the spray tip. The spray tip needs to be perpendicular to the box. We want the pattern spraying side to side when striping. After we are done striping, we can pull these parts out, clean, and drop them in some water. It is a good idea to keep these pieces clean and inspect before each use to help ensure we don't run into any issues in the future.